Okay, here we have the Advanced Model 3112 Extra Large LED Display Electric Alarm Clock. Extra large 2-inch numbers with bright red digital display. It's very nice. Snooze repeats every 9 minutes. It does have a 3-stage ascending alarm, which you're going to hear in a moment. It's pretty piercing. I like it. I rate it on about an 8.5 to 9 for loud alarms. PM and alarm on indicators. It does have a battery backup, but it is 100% electric powered. Easy to use buttons on the back. Nice size snooze bar on the top. Quality by Advance.